Can't believe I'm doing this. Why? We good. We good. $22.25 later, that is the fastest pump I've ever been to. Yeah. Alright, so $8.55 later, this is what we went with. Also, before you guys say anything, this is the only parking spot you're allowed to park forward. Like right here. This is like when it's sideways, you're allowed to park forward. If it's straight and you're parking forward, I don't know how to say this, but you gotta stop, bro. You gotta stop. That truck is so loud. So today's total, we spent $8.55 plus $22.25. That's like $30.80. Yeah, something like that. Bring it on, baby. I'm taking calculus this semester. Bring it on. I'm ready. I know I am. Just kidding. If you guys have passed calculus, please comment down below your number or your Instagram so I can DM you every time I need help. Please, bros, help me out. Help me out. No, wait. Don't comment down your number. Leave your IG. If I do need help, I'm gonna DM you guys. So expect a DM in the upcoming month, 2 months. I think I just heavily curved my right rear wheel. Oh my god, bro. I was at a stop sign and this lady told me to go and I had to go fast because it was green, people were behind her, and I didn't double check for the oh my god, please. Oh my gosh, please don't let it be bad. I'm gonna stop on the side of the road because oh my god, I'm freaking out. Like, I'm actually freaking out right now. Yeah, I don't think you guys have ever seen me this serious. Oh my god. That wheel's fine. That wheel is fine. Holy mother of... You can see right here where I went over it. Look, a little bit more and oh my god. That would have been so freaking bad. I'm serious, like I had to stop on the side of the road. Whew. Let's go home, boys. I haven't even said what this video is about, unless you read in the title, but I don't even know. Oh, yes. Alright, let's get home safely. My house is over there, and then you make a left, and then you make another left going back. This is what we're gonna do today. Alright, so first, I don't know if you guys are gonna hear me very well. So basically, in general, we're gonna be cleaning the engine bay. Finally, this is something I've been wanting to do for like the longest time, because if you're like me and you don't have something that's called fender liners, and you live in Florida where there's a lot of sand, yeah, just sand goes everywhere in your engine bay and it's really dirty. Right now we gotta move over there, and I also gotta change clothing, so yeah, we gotta do all that right now.
What is she doing right now?
Cut the montage, we got a special guest in the vlog. Okay, come on. Ven, get a montage. Ven. Come on, let's go. Well, I wanted her to go in the car with me, but that didn't work out too well, so back to the montage. So like I showed before, this is kind of how she stands right now. There's a lot of dirt next to the oil cap and all that down there, the valve covers. There's not oil, did I say oil? I meant dirt, sand. There's a lot of sand around there. Our goal for today is to make it not have that much sand or any sand at all, and just make it clean in general. Nothing crazy. But I also want to clean the hood on the top, which, yeah, I really do. It's not that dirty, but there definitely is a lot of sand, and yeah, it's pretty bad. Things first, what we're gonna do, I believe we're gonna take out the battery, even though it's covered. I might actually, I don't think I'm gonna take out the battery. I'm just gonna put a bag over it. Brake fluid should be fine. Intakes, we're gonna go ahead and put bags over these two intakes right here. By the way, if you're wondering about the bumper and why it sits like this and why the hood is kind of doesn't shut right, I think next video is when I'm gonna kind of fix all these things and she's gonna be looking pretty. I guess this might turn into a series of cleaning up Brittany and fixing her problems. Wrap it around it. We good, boys, we good. And just to be safe, I'm gonna disconnect the negative. Just you never know what can happen.
A few moments later.
All right, so we're back out here. I actually took like a quick 30 minutes just so the engine can like cool down a little bit. Although it's pretty hot still, but a lot cooler than it was. So first we're going to use this little thing right here. I don't even know how it works, guys. Oh, it got in my eye. Oh. I feel like I'm gonna turn into some kind of cyborg now. I like went in my nose and careful when you're spraying it doesn't go in your nose. Shh. You just want to get. You just want, okay, fine. All right, I think that's pretty good. I already sprayed a bunch. Everything already looks a little bit cleaner. Now we're gonna go to the huge water bottle that we're working with and just start spraying. Start spraying everything. Oh, look at the dirt go down. Wow. Wow, it's so hot that it just cools everything. Alright, quick update. I don't know if you can really tell the difference but on camera, but I mean much cleaner. You guys remember when this was all dirty? Much cleaner, and same as this side right here. We really tried cleaning up our best to clean that side over there. This metal right here looks so new, which by the way, there's a cover that goes here, but I gotta fix the bumper first and then I can put the cover and everything look good. So now I think I'm gonna go ahead and spray the engine with the foam thing again, and then we get to the fun part, which is we spray the engine bay. This is pretty scary, but we prepped everything good. All right, boys, we're gonna do it really softly. We're not gonna put too much, just a little bit. Oh gosh, can't believe I'm doing this. I think that's good. Now we gotta get a towel. The clean looks much better. Oh my gosh, this is actually really wet. I kind of went overboard. Actually, not really. No water got in the intakes. All right, we're good here. Let me just kind of dry this up a little bit first. All right, everything's clapped in. This is tight. Everything's good. We need a bigger towel though. We're gonna need a bigger towel. That looks so much cleaner. No grease or sand on this side, on the metal parts. The engine block does look a little cleaner, although it still has the same. I mean, yeah, it does actually look a lot cleaner. Hoses are cleaner. Gaskets are cleaner. Ooh. This is actually super awesome. Definitely recommend it. It only took like probably like an hour around there. We're still not done though. I'm gonna go ahead and try to clean the hood on the top side a little more because I sort of forgot, not gonna lie, but I think I'm just gonna put a long towel so nothing falls down here and then just spray the up here. Now we let everything drain out. Oh, it already looks cleaner, bro. And just like that, look how much cleaner that looks. Like, dude, we literally just time traveled back to 09, me being, damn, in 09 I was 10 years old and all I did was play video games. And also, if you guys are kind of scared of doing things like this, don't be scared. If I can do it, any of you can do it. Like literally zero experience doing any of this, and as long as you're safe and you take precaution and you prep well, you should be fine. So I challenge all of you, if you have a Z, if you don't have a Z, doesn't matter what car you have, clean your engine bay and your hood and just have fun with it, to be honest. All right, we put the battery back, everything's good. Moment of truth, moment of truth. All right, come on, don't let me down, Brittany. I clean you, don't let me down. I don't have my keys with me. And they work. Let's go. All right, so moment of truth. Round two. Hey, let's go. Woo! Nothing happened. Well, everything reset because the battery was off, but everything's good, boys. She's good, boy, she's good. And with that said, I think today's video is basically over. Smash that like if you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Share this video with anybody that wants to clean their engine bay or just anybody in general. You guys are honestly the absolute best. Thank you so much for the support recently on the channel and just in general. Don't forget to subscribe. Road to 20K. We're almost there, boys. We're almost there. All right, I gotta get to it in this video. Love you guys. Peace.